Switch the left-right direction of the handle. Look at the back side. This is a screw. Take point. And then rotate the handle. Now install back the screw. This is the outside handle. Let's see the inside handle. Take down the screw. Rotate handle. Install back. Now let's change the direction of the lock body. Insert the latch inside and then pull up, so the direction of the lock body changed successfully. Fix the screw pillar by the plier to make sure it won't move in the future. Before installation, pay attention to this. Look at this small arrow. This small arrow must be face the same direction to the handle. Look, the handle is this direction. So the arrow must be this direction, or the arrow must face the ground, but the arrow can't face up. If the arrow face up, anyone can unlock it without any fingerprint, password, card, or key. So let's make the arrow face the ground. And this spindle is too long. We need to cut it shorter. We need a cutter to cut it shorter. Install the battery. Pull up to lock it up.